HOSTy, you're going to be the first robot on this entire planet to time travel. Are you excited?
Breaking news! World's first time travel goes wrong. The power outage caused by it sparked mass looting across the city. We want answers. Down, down, government. Down, down, government.
Master Go, it's a success. The time travel is a success.
We have successfully completed the world's first time travel. We need to build a time machine again and bring back HOSTy.
Again?
Project Return of the HOSTy starts.
That's the Host 2020 for you, friends. You will get 3 quests across 3 weeks, and only if you all complete all the challenges as required and on time, only then the professor will approve the time machine, which means our HOSTy will be back. Yay! Are you excited? I am excited.